Welcome, adventurers, to the hidden gem of Europe. San Marino, where ancient fortresses, breathtaking views, and rich history await your discovery. Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within the walls of the world's oldest republic? Join us on a journey through its captivating landmarks and unravel the mysteries of this enchanting enclave. 14. Rocca Guaita. Perched atop Mount Titano, the majestic Rocca Guaita stands as a testament to San Marino's resilience throughout the ages. Dating back to the 11th century, this fortress offers panoramic vistas of the surrounding countryside, a reward for those willing to brave its lofty heights. Monte Titano. Ascend to the summit of Mount Titano and be rewarded with sweeping views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Explore Rocca Guaita, one of the 3 ancient towers that adorn this rugged landscape, and delve into its fascinating museum of ancient arms. Don't miss the chance to traverse the Palazzo della and immerse yourself in San Marino's rich heritage. 12. Palazzo Pubblico and Piazza della Liberta. Step into the heart of San Marino's governance at Palazzo Pubblico, a neo-Gothic masterpiece steeped in history. Witness the colorful changing of the guard at Piazza della Liberta, a spectacle that captures the essence of this vibrant republic. Explore the cobbled streets and soak in the charm of this historic square. 11. Basilica di San Marino. Journey back in time at the Basilica di San Marino, a neoclassical marvel built upon ancient Romanesque foundations. Marvel at the intricate altars adorned with statuary and paintings, and pay homage to the relics of San Marino housed within its sacred walls. Experience the serenity of this spiritual sanctuary, a beacon of faith for centuries. Museo di Stato. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of San Marino's history at the Museo di Stato, housed within the historic Palazzo Beluzzi. From Neolithic artifacts to Byzantine icons, this museum showcases the cultural treasures that define the identity of this resilient republic. Embark on a journey through time and uncover the stories hidden within its ancient halls. 9. Museum of Curiosities. Step into a world of wonder at the Museum of Curiosities, where the bizarre and the extraordinary come to life. Explore a collection of peculiar inventions and strange artifacts, each with its own fascinating tale to tell. From wooden clogs designed for Venice's high waters to the world's longest fingernails, this museum offers a captivating journey through the annals of history. 8. Ride the cable car for views. Embark on a scenic adventure aboard San Marino's Funavia, a cable car that offers breathtaking views of the picturesque landscape. Ascend the slopes of Mount Titano and marvel at sweeping panoramas of the Adriatic coastline, tiled rooftops, and verdant hillsides below. Enjoy the convenience of reaching the historical center while soaking in the beauty of the surrounding countryside. Seven, Wax Museum. Step into the pages of history at the Wax Museum, where lifelike figures bring significant historical events and personalities to life. From political leaders like Mussolini and Hitler, to iconic figures such as Jacqueline Kennedy and Giuseppe Garibaldi. Each wax figure is meticulously crafted to capture the essence of its subject. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of San Marino's history as you explore this captivating museum. 6. Maranello Rosso Ferrari Museum. Experience the thrill of speed and innovation at the Maranello Rosso Ferrari Museum, a haven for automotive enthusiasts. Delve into the legacy of Enzo Ferrari and Carlo Abarth as you admire a stunning collection of sports cars, Formula One vehicles, and rare automobiles. From Marilyn Monroe's iconic Ferrari Spider to the legendary 250 GTO Red, this museum celebrates the passion and performance of Ferrari's illustrious history. 5. Convent and Art Gallery San Francisco. Journey back in time at the San Francisco Convent, a testament to centuries of Franciscan influence in San Marino. Explore the beautiful cloister and immerse yourself in the sacred art displayed within the convent's walls. Admire exquisite paintings by renowned artists such as Raphael, Guercino, and Girolamo, showcasing the rich artistic heritage of this ancient order. 4. Castle Towns. Discover the fortified villages that dot the landscape surrounding the capital of San Marino, each with its own storied history and breathtaking views. From the ancient fortress of Montelupo in Domagnano to the picturesque castle of Monte Giardino, these towns offer a glimpse into the Republic's rich past. Explore the charming villages of Borgo Maggiore and Serravalle, which have evolved into thriving residential centers. Three, Museum of Agricultural Culture and Traditions. Step back in time at the Museum of Agricultural Culture and Traditions, a testament to San Marino's enduring agricultural heritage. Explore the fully restored farmhouse in Montecchio, dating back to the mid-1700s, and immerse yourself in the daily lives of rural farm families. From vintage farm tools to historic furnishings, this museum preserves the traditions and customs of a bygone era. 2. Coin and Stamp Museum. Delve into the world of philately at the Coin and Stamp Museum, housed within the historic church in Borgo Maggiore. Admire a complete collection of San Marino's beautiful postage stamps, sought after by collectors worldwide. Explore the Republic's history through its stamps and coins, including limited editions minted since the 19th century. Discover the treasures that adorn San Marino's currency and postage. 1. Riviera Romagnola Beaches. Escape to the sun-soaked shores of the Riviera Romagnola, where miles of pristine white sands beckon travelers to unwind and relax. Just a short distance from San Marino lies Rimini, the vibrant heart of this coastal paradise. Explore the bustling beach resorts of Rivabella, Riccione, and Cattolica, perfect for families seeking fun in the sun. Venture further north to discover hidden gems like Cesenatico, with its charming harbor and free beaches adorned with natural beach umbrellas. As we bid farewell to the enchanting enclave of San Marino, we invite you to embark on your own adventure and explore its timeless wonders. From the towering fortresses of Mount Titano to the vibrant streets of its historic center, San Marino promises a journey like no other. Until next time, happy travels.